Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add HTML code, or embed codes in Wix. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to insert custom widgets like forms, maps, videos, or third-party tools directly into your Wix website, using a simple and safe method. First, open your Wix site editor. This is where you design your website visually. On the left side, click the plus icon to open the Add panel. If you don't see it right away, just hover over the left edge of the screen and it should pop out. In the Add panel, type Embed code into the search bar. You'll see the embed element appear. Click it, then drag and drop it onto your page wherever you want your content to show. You can reposition it easily and align it with your layout like any other element.
Next, click on the Embed box you just added. A small menu will appear. Select Enter Code. This will open the code editor where you can paste your HTML or embed snippet. HTML code isn't complicated at all. It's just the basic code used to build websites. It tells a website or a platform like Wix what to show, like text, pictures, buttons, and forms, and where to put them on the page. Think of it like instructions that help organize everything you see on a website, which is why it's used when adding things like videos, maps, or other tools to a page. Now paste your code into the box. Make sure the code uses HTTPS links, because Wix only supports secure content. Most tools like forms, booking systems, and widgets already provide ready-made embed codes. Once you've pasted the code, click Apply to save and confirm it. After that, Wix will process the code, and your embedded content should appear directly inside the box on your page. From there, you can preview your site to make sure everything is showing correctly, and if needed, you can resize or move the embed box to make it fit better with your layout.
A few quick tips. You can resize the embed box by dragging the corners to make sure everything fits properly and looks clean. Also, always use trusted sources for your embed codes to avoid issues with broken or blocked scripts. If something doesn't show up, double-check that your code is complete, uses HTTPS, and that the service you're using actually allows embedding. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, add, drag, and paste, you've successfully added custom HTML or embed code to your Wix website. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or ran into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.